Hi, Leanne here, and today I'm reviewing this pink box, the original pink box. So obviously the color is extremely fun. It's hard to find toolkits that have this exciting color. The whole thing is 18 gauge steel and it's powder coated, so that means it's going to be insulated. It's going to last for years and years. You have 9 drawers on the whole system, and they have a really soft sliding system. So listen to this. You get that really soft close feature, and the drawers are rated to hold up to 200 pounds worth of tools in all of them. So it can just withstand a ton of weight, which is necessary when you're gonna be storing power tools. And then obviously it's on 4 roller wheels that can lock and unlock. So if you want it in a stationary place, keep your wheels locked. And if you don't, you can move it around easily. It also has this large handle on the end so that you can push it and move it to wherever you'd like. Obviously this is very full of work items, the top desk here, but it is a good surface area. It gives you a ton of space to organize your things or to lay out plans for a project. My favorite thing about this is the color. I like that it really, makes something that's considered a masculine area a whole lot more girly. So this is an item, if you have a lot of tools, if you have a lot of heavy power tools and you need to organize things, I really recommend this item.